Ever wondered how to start your own e-commerce business? Well, you've landed in the right place. Welcome to today's Ecom Talk, where we're breaking down the process of creating an e-commerce empire. Whether you're an entrepreneur at heart or a newbie just starting out, this guide has your name written all over it. E-commerce isn't just a business, it's a revolution, and you're about to become a part of it. So, what's the first step? It all begins with finding your perfect niche. Start with researching your interests and passions, then identify the market demand and scope out your competition. The right niche is a blend of what you love, what the market wants, and where you can stand out. Once you've found your niche, it's time to craft your business plan. Decide on your business model. It could be dropshipping, private label, or handmade products. Then create a memorable business name and a strong brand. Don't forget the legalities, registering your business, trademarks, and taxes. It might seem tedious, but it's a crucial part of your roadmap to success. Next, you'll be building your online store. Choose a platform that suits your needs. Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce are all great options. Design your store with a user-friendly layout and create compelling product listings. This is where the magic happens, where browsers become buyers. Now you're ready to tell the world about your business. Leverage social media to create a buzz, build an email list, and plan your grand launch. This is your moment to shine, to make a splash in the e-commerce world. But your journey doesn't end with the launch. It's all about scaling and growing your business. Regularly analyze your performance, optimize your strategies, and consider expanding your product line or entering new markets. The sky's the limit. You've now got the blueprint for starting your e-commerce business. Remember, every big empire started with a single step. Now it's your turn to take that step and shine. And if this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content. We're here to support your e-commerce dreams. Until the next video, keep dreaming, keep daring, and keep doing.